ഇത് നമ്മുടെ മേഘാലയയിലെ കത്തിയാണ്. സർ, can you please explain about this knife?
This knife is like from Nepali word, they call it kukri.
Kukri.
Yeah. Kukri. So
It's fight to death.
how
This knife, it belongs fight to death.
Fight to death.
What
the Nepali
whenever the result happen, this is my safety.
Okay.
Whatever. If they kill me, I'll kill them.
like this.
See, this one is
അപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ സുരക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയുള്ളതാണ്. അവര് ഇവനെ നമ്മളെ തട്ടുവാണെങ്കിൽ അവരെ തിരിച്ചു കെട്ടും.
So this is the kukri.
This is very famous also in America as like forge and fire. Yes, like.
Okay. And Kerala we have Chota one, Malappuram Katti.
No, this one is as a kukri, no?
Kukri.
Very famous in the world as now.
Okay.
But this is in